Hello and welcome to my first tutorial. I'm just going to show you how to make a single image animate inside of itself. So you have one single frame up here and the image in here is going to be moving. So basically what you do is you import your animation. So use my Mario walking, this one here. And you can do this with any character you want. Sonic, Shadow, Luigi. Just remove this frame here. Okay, before we start, make sure you have 24 frames per second. It makes your animation look a lot better if you're doing stuff. If it's on 12, it looks a bit shabby, if I say. So you go on OK. Okay, now all you see at the moment is just a simple frame sequence of him walking. So you click on the first frame, click on Mario, convert to symbol, MovieClip, make sure it's MovieClip, and name it. Okay. And basically you get the next frame on, and cut. You enter this frame and add a blank keyframe afterwards. Now make sure you paste in place and not paste, because if you click paste, it'll come out over here. Don't want that. You want to paste in place, which makes them over here. So it looks like you got a proper animation without any jumps. So do this with the rest of them until you've done all 6, or depending on how many there is. I think there's 7 or 8 in this one. Oops. Blank. Make sure it's blank. I'll just bring the previous image up from the last keyframe. Now this can help you with your animating as well. It makes your animating look a lot better. Forgot to paste this one in. Cut. It can also work on a stop action as well. If you have a stopped keyframe and you add an animation inside it, you can have an animation moving on a stopped keyframe. Okay, now because you're on 24 frames per second, you want to add a frame after each keyframe by pressing F5 or right clicking and adding insert frame, but pressing F5 is more convenient. Okay, so basically now you got Mario moving like this. If you didn't have these frames, show you what it's like when you remove them. Mario walks a bit too fast and doesn't look lifelike. So insert frame after each keyframe. So now you've got your single frame with him moving. So you make another keyframe. Let's just remove him actually. Make Mario bigger. Just put in there. Let's make it a bit smaller actually. Move in there. Add a keyframe on 25 or whatever. Zoom out. And make him walk to the other end of the stage. And let's just export. And that's what it looks like. Maybe that's a bit too fast. Let's just move it to 35 instead. That's a bit more lifelike. And you can do this with anything, Sonic running, Shadow running, and stuff like that. But don't forget, or paste in place. That's very vital. If you don't, your animation is going to jump when you don't want that. I'll give you an example. Now, this really mucks up your animation. You can see. So yeah, that's my first. Thanks for watching my first tutorial. Please rate and comment.